Hello and welcome to the video. It is someone's birthday today.
It's my birthday!
We are still travelling, so we're doing birthdays on the go, and today we've got the amazing opportunity to come to Splashmania, which I cannot wait to get involved in. What do you think, Scarlett?
It's gonna be great!
So we have arrived at Splashmania for Scarlett's 7th birthday. She's 7 years old. I don't know where that time's gone. Our admission was kindly gifted by Splashmania in exchange for some content, so we better show you what Malaysia's newest water park has to offer.
Home to 39 exhilarating slides and attractions, Splashmania really does have something for all the family. From babies to adrenaline seekers, you're sure to have a great day.
So today we are at Splashmania and it's my birthday and I'm 7 and it looks fun!
Scarlett, look at me! Go!
Tower just to sort of get our feet wet and our whole bodies wet. Everyone's had a really good time, so even Bella, who's 3 years old, has been going down the slides and enjoying herself too, so that's been really, really good. We've all enjoyed that, and the girls, the bigger girls, Scarlett and Olivia, have had a go on Mini Mania as well. So we'll wrap that up now and we're going to go have a look at the bigger rides, because Scarlett just wants a little bit more adrenaline pumped into her veins. So we're going to walk along here, go have a look at the bigger rides, see what we can get on. Let's give it a go, let's go.
Yeah, really good.
Alright, so this one is apparently a race. So these are my competitors.
Who's gonna win?
Mummy's gonna win.
Scarlett, was that good?
What kind of pizza?
Cheese pizza!
So food has arrived, it looks absolutely fantastic. We've got our big pizza here. This is to share with everyone. Olivia's looking happy. We've got some chicken nuggets, chips. Are you happy with yours, Bella?
Yeah.
Yeah, is it good?
Yeah.
And for the birthday girl, her own pizza. Yeah!
Yummy!
There are food and drink options dotted around the park that really do cater to everyone, so it's just a matter of choosing what you like, refueling and getting back to the fun.
Lunchtime complete, that went down a treat. We're really full up now, full of energy. The park is absolutely fantastic. There's so much to do, so many slides for big, small, adults, kids, there's loads. So we're going to go and go on the stuff that we haven't been on yet. So far we're having a great day. Are we good? Hold tight. And backwards.
Was that good, girls? Was it awesome? You want to go again?
it just flopped off my head and fell off.
Now you're sending that poor guy, he's under the water, just there trying to get it. He's there. But this guy's trying to search it out for. He got it! You legend, thank you!
I can't believe it. Like, this would have been the whole video down the pan. But a lifeguard, an amazing lifeguard, found it. Yes. Okay, so me and Olivia are about to go on the biggest, fastest slides at Splashmania. I've got the GoPro on. Olivia, are you ready? She's a bit nervous. It'll be the fastest ride she's ever been on.
It's a big drop, so I think I'm just going to close my eyes.
It's going to be fine. We can do this, come on! I don't know whether it's one where the floor moves again. We're going to see. There's a blue one as well that just goes. I'm going to try and get it on the GoPro.
Okay, so it turned out that these slides were a bit too scary for Olivia, but no match for me. And that brings our day at Splashmania to an end. What a fantastic day for all the family.
So we have just finished Waterpark. It's about 20 to 6, which is 20 minutes until it closes. We've sat down, we've had some donuts, some ice cream, and it's time now to get dressed and move on. But wow, what can I say, the experience of this, we haven't waited for any ride longer than 5 minutes. We've got on everything. There's a couple of restrictions for Scarletts. There's height restrictions. There's about 120 centimetres for some and 122 for the higher up ones. Other than that, it's been an amazing place for Bella to be going down as well. I've never been to Splashpark, a water park that has such a good area for younger children. Completely safe for Bella. Going down slides and flumes, I just haven't really seen it. So I thought it was absolutely fantastic. Olivia was allowed on every single ride, which is really cool. So she could go on everything that me and Chris could go on. The changing facilities are really good as well. So we're going to get dressed and then we're going to go on home and maybe grab something to eat the Scarletts.
Thank you, Splashmania! I had a great birthday. That's all for me.
What an incredible day here at Splashmania Kuala Lumpur. I've got to say, it was 10 out of 10. Absolutely amazing. And if you are in Kuala Lumpur, you need to come here. Like, take a break from the city, all the hustle and bustle, get out here to Splashmania. It's just, what a day. We literally didn't want to leave. We've stayed right till closing time. I think we're even after closing time. So thank you so much to Splashmania for having us. It was amazing. We loved it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment what you thought was the best slide down below, and we shall see you in the next video. Bye.